In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use aggregate function in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the aggregate function. This function is very useful because it can perform different types of calculations using one flexible formula, which makes it a great tool when you're working with data in a spreadsheet. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through A6, and the formula will use the values in the range A2 through A6. Before entering the formula, it helps to make sure your numbers are already in place so you can immediately see how the function works. Now click on cell B2, since this is where the result will appear. Type an equal sign, then aggregate, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter 4, then a comma, then 0, then another comma, and then the range A2, A6. Close the parenthesis and press enter. The full formula is equals aggregate, open parenthesis, 4, comma, 0, comma, A2 through A6, close parenthesis. Excel will return 500, which is the largest value in that range. In this formula, the number 4 tells Excel to calculate the maximum value. The 0 specifies the calculation option, and A2 through A6 is the range that contains the values being analyzed. One of the best things about the aggregate function is that you can modify it easily to perform different calculations without rebuilding the formula from scratch. For example, if you want to calculate the smallest value instead of the largest, replace the 4 with 5, then press enter. If you want to calculate the average, replace the 4 with 1 and press enter again. If you want the sum of the values, replace the 4 with 9, then press enter. You can also change the data range if you want to analyze a different set of numbers. Just edit the range inside the formula, press enter, and Excel will instantly update the result based on the new cells you selected. This is a simple way to see how versatile the aggregate function can be. It allows you to switch between calculations like maximum, minimum, average, and sum, just by changing one part of the formula. Once you understand what each number represents, using aggregate becomes much easier and much faster in everyday Excel work. And that's it.